Hello everybody! As I hinted in previous monitor review, today we are having something big. Something really big. A curved 49-inch SuperWide 32x9 monster of a monitor from Philips. I know you don't want no further introduction, so let's pop this baby open. And the box for this monitor is freaking huge. You really can't go to the shop and get it yourself. You will need a friend to help. Overall, the setup process is not very hard, of course, if you have a friend, because the monitor actually is so big, it's wider than my entire desk, so we had to set it up on the box it came in. But after setting everything up, the first words that come into your mind are, boy, this thing is huge! And you get the same reaction from every single person who sees it, from every single one. But how actually is it? It is okay. But let me explain why. As an experience, it is awesome. Colors are really vibrant and precise, as it should be from HDR monitor. And the most I enjoyed it was while gaming with friends and family. You can play split screen, but get full-size monitors for each of you, and it was a ton of fun. And playing games alone was amazing as well. You can see so much more information. It's like cheating. Of course, if your PC can handle it, because it has 3.5 times the pixel count of a 1080p monitor. But still, it's less than 4K. But outside of games, I had a kinda mixed experience. Probably my biggest complaint is that it is not curved enough. It is good for laid-back gaming or content consumption, but if you get closer, the sides are just not curved enough, and looking at them feels like looking at the monitor from side. And even content consumption is not perfect as well, because there is no content in such aspect ratio. Even cinema aspect ratio doesn't fill this monitor, and who loves black bars? No one. The built-in audio is... well, there is built-in audio, but I'm not really impressed with it. You can click the link in the description to see a test versus JBL Clip 3. And I don't know why, but Philips decided not to use the joystick for navigation for menus, as they did it with ultra-wide monitor we tested some time ago. For that monitor, the joystick navigation was superb. At least the menu itself is good and easy and allows you quite a lot of adjustments to be made, which is always nice. And one more issue, or something I just could not adjust to, was the size. It probably sounds funny, but I think it's too wide for me. As an experience, it's really nice, but using it on a daily basis didn't really give me any advantage over other monitors. I felt like I could be more productive with two 16x9 monitors. If you have a single monitor, you most likely center everything, but with this monitor, the center position is useless, and on day-to-day basis I used it like two monitors. But if looking at each of these monitors is like looking to a monitor from a side, I really didn't get the vibes I was looking for. I really wanted to like this monitor and probably got overhyped, but yeah, that's what I think about it. Probably getting it curved a little bit more would improve usability a lot, but for now, this is what I think about it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.